What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my SpeedyBee Master 3X. I flew it last time, one time only before, and the GPS wasn't working. I have in there the BZ-181. Now I put a Flyfish M10 on there. It's very tiny, it's very small. I had to cut the original one and I had to actually weld it. It was not fun welding it because it's really tiny, little bitty one. It's 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter. This is very small. So today, after I put the GPS in here, I came to fly it, and hopefully my SpeedyBee is gonna be doing really good. Now I did two other things. I put those green props. I'm not quite sure if they match or not. What do you think? Do you think they match? Because I couldn't find any yellow ones. So I had to go with the green. That's the closest thing I would say probably goes with yellow. And also I had to put those new antennas here. They're like, they look like a bee. You see how the antennas are? The original ones, they were black. So that's what I've done last time. To put those antennas, it was a nightmare. I had to take the 04 completely off in order for me to put the antennas. But I already got it, and hopefully today we're gonna enjoy it. So join me on this trip. Let's go ahead and send it. Already? All right, let's go ahead and arm it. It's armed. And let's go. Here is my SpeedyBee. It's kinda chill kinda drone and chill kinda freestyle. If you want chill kinda drones, this is it. I'm not sure if you can do really very aggressive things with it, but you can do my type of flying, which I call it the freestyle flow. So I'm flowing up in the air, going down, managing the energy. And that's how the way I fly, like energy management. So like I'm coming fast here, and then I'll just go up a little bit, slow it down, turn around, come down. This is like all kind of managing the energy. So I'm thinking about how is the energy going? I'm trying to manage this energy, not fight the energy, if you know what I mean. Here we go. So I've been flying it. The first flight I've done, the camera angle was 25. Right now I switched to 30 because I figure this drone is kind of chill kind of type of drone. So I am not gonna be doing like so aggressive stuff with it. Still can do dives for sure. See how I'm trying to manage the energy? Manage it in a way that I can use it to my advantage. I learned that from flying the Avara, because in the Avara, it's very weak drone. Like you have to babysit it, so you need to understand the limitation and try to manage the energy, like I'm doing right now. So I'm not working against the gravity, I'm making the gravity help me flying. Literally, that's what I'm doing right now. There's power lines here, so I have to watch for them. Listen to it. It's really not loud at all. Really, you can barely hear it once it goes a little bit far away, like right now. Look, that's it. I'm not even hearing it anymore. Let's lick in some grass here. Licking grass. It's a floaty. You see how it floats? That's what I like about it. It's very quiet in comparison to the other drones. I have like the 5-inch and the 3.5-inch that I have, the deep space. This is very quiet. You can barely really hear it. Top of the water, not too much top of the water, please. Scary. See how I'm managing the energy? Try to stay close to the ground. This is cool. Very chill kind of FPV flying. I love it. Okay, it says low battery, so I need to bring it back. Ooh, I touched a little bit of grass here. Here it comes. This is so beautiful. This is the best landing ever. This thing is really amazing. I forgot to disarm it. Oh my God, this is lovely, man. This is the best ever. Okay, so here we are. SpeedyBee is back. I hope you enjoy the flight and I hope you enjoy the drone. If you have any question in regard of this flight or the drone itself or me, please feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer any question you have, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.